At Mitotec Precision, we use cutting-edge equipment to bring our customers the latest technology in machining. Here, you see one of our brand new Eurotech turn mill centers processing a part. This machine has dual spindles and dual turrets. Each turret location can accommodate a wide range of tools, including end-working and cross-working live tools. We can be turning, drilling, and milling complex part features simultaneously without extending cycle times or requiring secondary equipment for post-processing, bringing more value to our customers. Learn more about this technology and others, and how Mitotec Precision can multiply your value by visiting our website or calling us directly. At Mitotec Precision, we are people powering precision.